Hey everyone, this is a step-by-step video on how to install a sunroof on a Ford Falcon, pretty much any Ford Falcon really, sedan. This is a step-by-step video. The backstory to this car is my dad's car. It's a 1998 Series 1 XR8. I restored this car nearly 10 years ago now when I was a first year apprentice, and believe it or not, I was too scared to weld the rust in the roof. So I just put some fiberglass filler in there and sprayed some rust converter on it, and it came back. So instead of doing a massive long patch right across the front of it, or putting on another roof skin, thought it'd be a good idea to put a roof skin on that's got a sunroof in it, since we're going all that effort anyway. So the two only things I didn't go through in the video is the wiring. So I just rejoined the wires from the sunroof mechanism down the pillar into the fuse box, and it used to be on LPG, so there was some wiring left over from that had power when the ignition came on and no power when the car was off, so I tapped the wiring into that and rejoined the earth straps to the body because I cut the body off the other one. Vera saying hello. And the other thing was the joins for the drain pipe. So I just got some PVC joins from Bunnings, some PVC 10mm joins, and joined them over the tubes, the drain tubes that have been cut from the old roof. So that's pretty much the only thing I really didn't go through in the video, but the rest of it is straightforward. You might be able to give it a go yourself. If not, it's just cool to see how it's done. So hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and enjoy.